Hello everyone, a wonderful day to everyone. So we've done an important factor, which was concept. So we're moving to something else. Location. Very important, very, very important. It's not enough that you have a property somewhere and you feel that property can go for just any kind of concept. Let's consider you have one beautiful fine dining concept and then your father has left you a property in one low income area and you feel because you have a free property you can set up your restaurant there. Who is going to patronize you? So having a property just anywhere doesn't guarantee that you can set up a restaurant. There are certain things you need to put into consideration when you're setting up a restaurant. First of all, we've talked about the concept. If it's a sitting restaurant, do you have enough space? Is there parking? Is it accessible? Is it visible enough for people to come when they are coming? Now, if it's a highbrow kind of restaurant, the people that are coming, what kind of things do they require? Do they require that they have good ambience, the surrounding clean enough? Are there complementary things that can appeal to them? If you're running just a kitchen, it doesn't really matter that you have a parking space because you know most of what you'll be doing is delivery. So whatever you're doing, location becomes very critical. One thing that kills this business in location searching is having your restaurant on a high traffic moving place where there's a major road median and cars cannot turn into your restaurant. It means they have to drive like 5 kilometers before they can move into your restaurant. So you can imagine having that investment and no one comes in. So there's a document we've designed called the site selection form, which has different parameters we must consider, matching your concept with whatever site you want to do. So we'll sit down with you. Even if you don't have a concept, we'll look at your concept, marry it with the relevant sites you need to select. Looking forward to having you next episode. Thank you very much.